today, the BJP staged a demonstration in Bengaluru's Freedom Park, a central jail during the time of emergency that has now been converted into a public park. Now, the ruling party protested against the emergency that was imposed by former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi in 1975. Holding posters and chanting slogans, the BJP demanded an apology from the Congress MP Rahul Gandhi for his grandmother's decision.
Indira Gandhi in 1975. Here, BJP leaders are protesting against the emergency which imposed, and some of them were arrested in this particular jail and in this particular ban, the leaders of the BJP.
All right, you're looking at visuals of R. Ashoka over there, as well as Ashwath Narayan, as well as several other leaders over here who are currently protesting. Remember, the emergency in India was a 21-month period from 1975 to 1977, during which freedom of speech was hindered. There was a clampdown on the press, fundamental rights were suspended, and many were thrown into jails for raising their voices in dissent.
They were asking Rahul Gandhi to give an apology for the emergency imposed by his grandmother and then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi in 1975. Here, BJP leaders are protesting in Bangalore jail, which is now turned into Freedom Park, where you can see the senior leadership of the state BJP protesting against the emergency which imposed, and some of them were arrested in this particular jail and in this particular barrack right now where they're protesting during opposing the emergency in 1975. Joining with me is the senior leader of the BJP, Mr. Prakash. Sir, the Prime Minister has called the 50 years of Loktantra, that they are protecting the constitution now, but Congress is the one to demolish the constitution in 1975.
No, when the emergency was declared, Indira Gandhi has distorted the constitution by amending and adding additional words to the preamble. And 42nd Amendment was a clear violation of the original constitution drafted by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The Congress has to apologize for that. It was called a mini constitution then. So many provisions of those constitution was making Indira Gandhi a dictatorial leader, and she had plans to defer the election indefinitely also by taking refuge under the new constitution. And it is rightly it has been described as an anti-people, anti-constitution law.
That's you heard senior BJP leader Prakash just saying this is the exact barrack where many of the leaders were jailed in the 1975 for opposing the emergency, and the protest is being carried out by the BJP in Bangalore there over this particular issue. Senior leadership of the BJP is there, as you can see from the visuals, protesting and demanding that Rahul Gandhi should apologize, where he makes several charges against the BJP saying that they are trying to change constitution, but they blame that instead it was Indira Gandhi who played with the constitution and declared an emergency and jailed many opposition leaders, including the leaders of the BJP.
सौ बार यही बात बोलेंगे, और इमरजेंसी के 50 साल हो रहे बोले तो तुम इमरजेंसी से विदाउट डिक्लेयरिंग इमरजेंसी यू आर डूइंग इट. इसीलिए हर बार वही बात बोल के आप कितने दिन ऐसा ही अपनी हुकूमत करना चाहते हैं.